How to fix the first Descendant not launching on PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily fix the launching issue in the first Descendant in your PC. So in order to fix it, the first thing that you can do is you can simply try restarting your PC or your laptop. For that you just have to click on the home button and then you just have to click on this power button. Here you will be able to see the restart option, so you just have to click on restart and then you just have to restart your PC and then you just have to try to launch the game again. If the issue still persists with this method, then you can try the launching of the game as an administrator. For that you just have to right click on the game and then there you will be able to see the option of run as administrator. So you just have to select that option. This can help bypass any permission related issues. The third method that you can do is you can simply check the compatibility mode. For that you need to right click on the game and then go to properties. Then you need to navigate to the compatibility tab. Afterwards, you just have to check for the box for run this program in compatibility mode 4 and then select an older window version. Apply the changes and try to launch the game. So these are some of the methods that you can try to fix this issue. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.